Why are you always drawn to people who don't really see you, people who feel distant from you? Maybe what you are looking for is not love. Maybe it is an attempt to close an unfinished emotional account from childhood. And if you don't notice this, you may spend your whole life losing time in the wrong relationships. You may even push away the people who genuinely love you without realizing it. Even worse, you hand your self-worth over to other people. So if your partner treats you well that day, you feel valuable. But if they are not in a good mood that day, you start feeling like the most worthless person in the world. Your worth turns into a toy controlled by their emotional state. By the end of this video, you won't only understand why you keep choosing the wrong people, you will also understand how to start breaking this cycle, because the issue is not always the relationship you are in today. The issue is that you are still waiting for a love that never came years ago. When you grow up with a mother or father who is emotionally distant, unavailable, or unable to truly see you, an expectation forms inside you as a child. One day they will notice me. One day they will love me. One day they will make me feel valuable. But that day never came, and the validation you couldn't receive as a child starts being placed on other people in adulthood. Someone replying late to your message is not just a late reply. Someone not caring enough about you is not just something happening today. Someone not choosing you does not feel like just their personal choice. A much older wound starts aching inside, because your mind seems to be looking at the person in front of you, but in reality, it is trying to complete something that was missing in the past. That is why even a healthy relationship may not feel like enough. Maybe because you are waiting for validation from your partner, you cannot recognize a healthy relationship, because instead of experiencing that relationship, you expect it to heal an old wound. Choose me, see me, prove to me that I am valuable. But there is a very important difference here. Someone loving you is one thing. Trying to make them fill the emptiness of the love you never received in the past is another thing. And no relationship can fully replace the love that did not come from family. But when someone makes you feel like they are giving you that value and then pulls it away, you can become emotionally dependent on them. This can be a painful realization, because accepting that you may never receive the love you are still waiting for can take time. And maybe now it is time to start giving that love to yourself. It may take time to accept this, but this is the truth. This does not mean I am not worthy of love, quite the opposite. It means being able to say, I did not receive the love I needed, but that does not mean I am worthless. And the real breaking point starts here. Do you truly want love from the people in your life today? Or are you waiting for someone to finally give you what was not given to you in the past? Because when you don't understand this difference, you may sabotage intimacy. You may not trust someone who loves you. You may never find their attention enough. Or you may become more attached to people who do not really see you, because what feels familiar is not always what is healthy. The relationship that feels most familiar to you may be the one that repeats your old wound. Like many people, this is where the cycle needs to break. Start asking yourself, do I love this person, or am I waiting for them to give me the love I never received in the past? Do I see the person in front of me as a partner, or as someone who is supposed to provide the emotions I was never given? This question can help you leave the abandoned station where you have been waiting for years, because waiting for a love that never came was not your fault. But realizing that this waiting is still running your life today can be the beginning of healthier relationships. So if you're asking, what do I do now? The first step is simply understanding that this feeling is not only about the person in front of you today, it is also about the child you once were. For this, there is a free worksheet in the description. By doing this exercise, you can take one small step forward. If you want to increase your awareness around this topic, you can subscribe to my channel.